Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hey Bartender. How you guys doing today? My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with today's fun cocktail. You guessed it right, we keep going with this lovely month, February, the month of the St. Valentine's and the Margarita National Day. So in honor to that, we are introducing this lovely and amazing tequila, and we're gonna be making all the margaritas variations possible and some of their cocktails. Am I correct, production? Okay. And today is not gonna be the exception. We're gonna make Paloma al vuelo with vuelo del aviador blanco. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how to make and pour this beautiful cocktail. All right, so what can I say, production? I'm in love with this one. Like seriously, double gold award winner in San Francisco competition, sweet profile, handcrafted cocktail, Tahona milk, open bests with wood. I mean, it's just phenomenal. And one of the things that I like the most is how it combines with some other liqueurs and mixers. So please allow me to make you what I call the Paloma al vuelo, which is a variation in the sour side of a regular Paloma. We're gonna start pouring this guy. 1.5 ounces of vuelo del aviador blanco. Grapefruit juice. We're gonna go 1/2 ounce. Otilio agrees. Oris agrees. Lime juice. Let's go for 3/4 ounce. And remember, always fresh. Elderflower Liquor. 1/2 ounce. For those, just to make it a little bit more easy, Saint Germain. Pamplemousse liqueur, which is a French grapefruit liqueur. If you cannot find it, don't worry about it. Just like add a little bit more of the oils of the grapefruit in your cocktail and switch it over for agave nectar. And we're gonna use only 1/4 ounce. Now, the magic side. You remember egg white, always cold. Make sure that they're like perfectly clean. If you don't like this or you feel a little insecure, use pasteurized egg whites. If you don't like egg at all, don't worry about it. Get a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, stir in that water, use 1 ounce of that water, and that'll be perfect for it. So let's put our egg white. You wanna do a double check, production? Got it up. Dry shake first. Let's add some ice and give it a really good shake now. Tequila time at all time. Let's double the strain. Okay, we're gonna grab some Pichat's bitters. Make your nice hearts. And let's put a beautiful edible flower. The Paloma al vuelo with vuelo de alrededor blanco. Please remember, don't forget to like and subscribe, and never, never, never drink and drive. Right?
Right.
Cheers, everyone. Elevate your game.